a base makeup tutorial by Sneed Shalva. Let your beauty sing for Purèz. And here we have the corrector, C10, also the foundation, and the wonderful SunGlow Bronzer. And I'm applying the lovely corrector C10 with the sponge applicator, so it grabs so much more product and you don't have to keep going back to the pot. Please remember also to start the eye sockets where the darkness sits. If you have melasma, hyperpigmentation, if you have age spots, sunspots, the Yellow Corrector C10 will help with this. So just remember, when you're applying the corrector, be light in those areas that are underneath the eye. They are sensitive and delicate. Going into the foundation, using 2 fingers in the strap will really help you to control the foundation you're applying on the face. Also be aware of the delicate areas again, and where you've applied your yellow C10 corrector, you want to go over that area and just push in a little bit more as you are stippling or patting the foundation onto the skin. You can start with the forehead first so that you know that you're covering the entire face, and it acts as a little guideline so you know exactly where you're going and taking the wonderful pad. Now we have got the Kabuki brush going into the SunGlow Bronzer. Kabuki brush is huge, so please coat the entire brush from the edges as well as you're applying around the face. It covers a massive surface area, so if you are in a rush, you can glow and go, which is fantastic. Now I'll be showing you the contour blush brush. Now you can really utilize this and accentuate certain areas, and you can use it on the body as well. Okay, that's the base done now. I'll add a little bit of bronze to the end of my nose and my own lips and eyes. Purèz mineral makeup, it is pure, it is designed for sensitive skin, it has SPF 15, it provides a natural finish as you can see, so it's not heavy at all, and it's vegan friendly, and it also doesn't contain the nasty stuff either. Purèz Biocosmetics, powered by nature. Let your beauty sing.